We have a brand new box and magazine kit from our friends at Practical Publishing. This one is featuring Joanna Sheen, very famous designer, and it comes in a box like this along with a magazine and so much else. Now, what's different about the box kit and magazine is that all the projects in the magazine relate to the product that's included. Let's take a look at that product. This is all about good spirits at Christmas time or in the autumn and fall. So we've got a cup, we've got some, looks like mistletoe, and we've got cinnamon sticks and an orange and holly leaves and berries. We also have an embossing folder, so that would good place to put some special things. And we also have these stamps. Now there's 17 stamps here. They're the clear ones, and you can see Festive Cheer is what this is all about. And then there's also this to make a Christmas cracker. Well, we'll take a look at what you can do with that. In addition, there are papers. Now, the papers are double-sided, and they're also very special in this way. So you can see that there's artwork on one side, and then it's printed on the other side, so nothing goes to waste. Altogether, there are 117 cutouts, and aren't they just lovely? And many sizes, as well as a little card and also even greetings. So that's nice. Now it's interesting because this has deer on it, and this paper has a deer on it too, and kind of a forest setting. So same thing is happening here with the birds, all right here, and then also on the companion page. We have robins as well as the leaves, and we've got children, more children in the snow, very vintage imagery, Santa, and you can see him over here. We have Merry Christmas with the mistletoe, and with this. And again, if something isn't to your liking or you don't need, maybe you just want to use this piece, you can still use the paper because it is patterned on the other side. So this is a total of 117 cutouts. And then at the very end, there's one that's double-sided. So that is all included. So my goodness, you've just got a bit of everything. Now let's go into the magazine and see how Joanna and her team have executed all of these. Now, as you know, we're going to start off with what you get and what's in the kit, and just to make sure that everybody knows we've got the same thing. Then we're going to go into what they're calling decoupage. So you can use those pieces singly, or you can cut them apart and layer them with foam tape, or you can do something like this. This is called a pyramid, where you have a large one and then you cut the smaller one and layer it on top of it. Very pretty look. I think this is very striking. Beautiful use of those papers and those cutouts. In fact, there's just really beautiful work all the way through this magazine. In fact, you can see I kind of just tabbed almost every page. There are just so many good ideas. This is cute, a hug and a mug. Now that's really cute. So this is making panels to turn it into a cup, and they'll show you how right here. And then you can use the stamps on top of them. Here is a really cute circular card as well as a festive cheer. So just lots of good ideas. I think you'll be really delighted with this. And we'll see some more. This is the Christmas cracker, cut multiple times. Some of them have been folded to make an actual Christmas cracker, and you get some instructions down here exactly how to do that. And Christmas cracker, in case you don't know, it's a British tradition of opening them up. Inside there's usually a paper crown and maybe a fortune, maybe a little trinket. Very fun to do at your Christmas table. Now let's go back. More cards, more beautiful ways to use them in very creative ways. And like I said, just every page had wonderfulness on it. So we've got more, and just really nicely done, adding into the cutting die as well. And I'm just going to, oh, there's that Christmas cracker. That really works nicely, doesn't it? And I've got more. So here it is again. So making it into a 3D and lots of ways to use it. And we've got more. Here we have make an impression. So we've got an easel card, just lots of different ways of using the contents that are inside this. And then it's nice because there's a little interview with Joanna just to give you a little bit of feeling for who she is and what brings her happiness. So Joanna Sheen card making collection. This is her 9th one, number 9. So congratulations, Joanna. And this is in stock right now.